Hey, Terry here with Good Ingestions. Only 2 more days till Halloween. Are you looking for a great treat to serve your guests or your family? Who doesn't love caramel apples? Well, caramel apples have a lot of sugar in them, but these don't. These are made with dates and vanilla and almond milk. Well, I'm going to show you how to make them, and they just take a few minutes. Do this. You'll be able to find the recipe in the description box below. You'll need 4 Granny Smith apples, 9 or 10 Medjool dates to equal 1 loose cup. You'll need a half a cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons almond butter, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla bean powder, and you'll want to put the dates and the milk in the Vitamix or the high-speed blender and blend that until it's very, very smooth. This will take a minute or 2. Then you want to add the vanilla bean powder and the almond butter. Blend again until it's very smooth, and if you have some time, put it in the refrigerator. It doesn't make a big difference, but it might. Then you want to ice the apples with the caramel. Next, you'll need 4 skewers or popsicle sticks. Then you'll need 3 tablespoons of organic, unsweetened coconut. And you want to put that in the toaster oven on toast for 1 minute and 30 seconds. You'll need 3 tablespoons of walnuts, 3 tablespoons of pecans, and chop them to the desired consistency. You'll want to toast them with the coconut for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Do not leave these in longer than that. It'll burn quickly. Once they're all toasted, put them in a bowl. Then you want to roll your caramel apples into the mixture. Make sure to shake the bowl so that it's covered with the toasted mixture each time you roll. Then you want to sprinkle the remaining toasted mixture on top and cover the caramel apples. They are absolutely delicious. I brought them to the neighborhood bonfire the other night, and people really enjoyed them. You can put those in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve them, or you can just eat them right away. They're a little messy, so make sure you serve them with a napkin. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. If you have any comments, please put them below, or any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. Happy Halloween!